National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, western DuPage County in northeast Illinois, Grenville County in northeast Illinois, Kane County in northeast Illinois, Kimball County in northeast Illinois, northeastern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, east central Lee County in north central Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeast Illinois until 8:30 p.m. At 7:30 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing destructive hurricane force winds in excess of 80 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from Pottle Leland to Serena to 6 miles east of Streator and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Salmonock and Seneca around 7:40 p.m. Shabanock, Sandwich, and Newark around 7:45 p.m. Little Rock, Waterman, and Hainkley around 7:50 p.m. Plano around 7:55 p.m. DeKalb, Yorkville, Morris, and Muzzin around 8 o'clock p.m. Portland and Sugar Grove around 8:05 p.m. Other locations impacted